Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cosette. Today we are going to explore New York a little bit. I need to go quite a bit away and get a Father's Day gift for my dad since my whole family is coming to New York this weekend. We're gonna celebrate Father's Day weekend here, which I'm really excited about. But I need to make the trek over to, where am I going? Madison Avenue, around there. I just want to do a little fit check before I go. Okay, color outfit of the day. I'm gonna go pick up a Father's Day gift for Marty, and this is like the outfit. If you want to know where everything's from, go look at my TikTok per usual. I'll be doing OOTDs every single day on there. All right, let's go. Quick update. I'm on 62nd Street, and I just passed like Chanel and all that stuff. It's so cool to see, just like so casual, and you're like way back. And I just went to Zara, did the exchange, and now I need to stop in Beretta for my mom. She wants to get my dad a like gift card for Father's Day, so I'm there right now. But it is so pretty. I love it down up here. It's up here because I was downtown. I'm trying to get the hang of it. I need to go there, so I'm gonna cross. Okay, now I'm stopping to get matcha. Never had matcha, but there's cha-cha matcha down here, and I want to try it. So come. I just got a small matcha with water ice because, like I said, never had one, and I really wanted to try it. It's just so cute in here. It's all pink and green in here. Reminds me of when I did synchronized swimming. You check. Now you're checking. Tally goes, do you have all your stuff? And then now check. Alright, but I don't know last time I said anything. I think it was when I was walking and got matcha. But now we're going out for a happy hour with Jane, Tally's friend, who lives around here. Clinton Street, somewhere around there. So, you guys are gonna kill me. I'm really sorry. I don't even think I vlogged drinks. It was very chaotic. This group of guys like came over to us. One proposed to me. But yeah, these guys were just like bothering us the entire time, and they said I couldn't even put them on social media. So I was a little sus about them, so I don't want to whip out like a huge camera on them and them get even more sus about me. It's Wednesday, it's very exciting. I just did work and I did the social media layout for my job, and now I think I'm gonna go thrifting. There's this thrift store I've been eyeing on social media. It's called, I keep on pronouncing it wrong, Rogue Garms. But this girl on TikTok like opened her own vintage shop, and I'm really excited. I really want to go to it. It was on my Google Doc of places I want to go in New York, so I think I'm going to stop by that today. And this is my outfit quick overview. Details on my TikTok, guys. Oh, you know what's funny is the only people that watch my videos are my friends, and those are the only people that watch my TikToks too. So it's just like, hold on, a little fuzz. I swear to God, there's a fuzz and I can't get it. Hi. It's like 75. It's pretty good temperature out in the city today. And later tonight is very exciting. I think I'm gonna go get drinks and go out with some MSU people. I know for sure I'm gonna meet up with Ryan. He's one of my really good guy friends in Theta Chi, so we're gonna meet up. And Jill texted me, she's an SK at MSU. She wants to go out as well, so we're either gonna all go out together or meet up or something. Okay, so sorry I did not vlog in there, but I took a TikTok, so I'll insert the TikTok just for you guys. But I got a really cute top. I'll show you guys when I get inside. I'm just walking back now, but it's so cute and like vintage, which I love. So, and they were so nice in there. I'll talk more about it. Hold on. I'm going out now. I'm going to meet up with a guy friend from Michigan State, Theta Chi, and we're just gonna go get drinks, and then I have no idea what I'm doing after that. All my plans are kind of up in the air. I need to put on lipstick, going into Tally's room. Oh, I have some beef to talk about. He's gonna watch this too. Okay, so my old chemistry lab partner.
The chemistry teacher?
No! he was like, I'm not gonna watch your video, and then he texted me and he was like, a certain portion of my video that like only people would know like if they watched it, and I was like, cut off. So if you're watching this, you know.
I didn't hear the teacher.
Alright everybody, I'm out with Ryan. Say hi to the vlog.
What up, vlog? Subscribers, I don't know how many of you there are, but I know there's a lot. So excited to be gone.
Alright, hello. Ryan tried to look it up, but he's not
even
really...
though she lives in the quick vicinity.
Okay, I've been here for literally a week. Well, we're just adventuring around a little bit. Good morning. I think last time I vlogged was with Ryan, but it's the next day. I got all dressed. I'm ready I'm gonna go on like a long main character New York walk, which I'm very excited about. I love a good walk. And I think later tonight I'm gonna go out with Jill. She's also from Michigan State. She's in SK. Sigma Kappa. I don't know where we're going. I don't know the plans, but we are going out because she couldn't make it out last night. But that's all that's going on. If I stop in anywhere, I'll let you know. I do want to go to this one thrift store called the L Train in Lower East Side, so maybe I'll walk over to there. But that's all that's going on. Okay, I'm not a really good thrifter, so that was kind of stressful for me going into that L Train Vintage, but I didn't get anything. I don't know. I just like looked around a little bit, which is nice. And now I'm just walking around. I think I'm gonna walk to SoHo and just go around. Because I haven't done that. I've always been like going for a destination. And I would love to just, you know, take my time, let it all, you know, soak in. And that's all. Same outfit. But I had to tie this around because it's kind of hot once you start walking. I don't know how much longer I can do this. Oh my gosh. I'm so tired today. I don't know why. Like, I am going out with Jill and Cass from MSU, which I'm so excited about. Oh, friend of hers from work too. Just the whole gang is going out tonight. I'm so excited. So I'm getting ready right now. I want to show you a little bit before because I feel like I've been just showing like, oh, here, I'm all ready, blah, 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 but I want to show you a little bit of the process. So we're going to do that tonight. I don't know where we're going to go. We might go to Mr. Purple. I know, kind of basic, but I've never been, and I am a tourist, so I think I'm going to wear a white silk dress. I don't know though for sure. I'll probably get all my friends' opinions, but that's what's going on. I'm all ready. I'm all done. Hair, makeup. I threw on this outfit. I really like this top. It's really cute, but I don't think I'm gonna wear it because I did a poll with my Finsta and they said dress from yesterday, so I think I might do the dress from yesterday. I wish we could talk and we could do this like in real time because that would make it so much easier and so many more opinions, because I need people's opinions with outfits all the time because I'm very indecisive. Super cute, love it. So that's all that's going on. Just walk around Central Park. Victoria is here. Victoria has entered New York.
Third sister.
That's very exciting. But yeah, we're just walking around. We got little drinks at PhD? Yeah. Terrace?
Very young. Sat in a row.
Very young. We sat in a row and it was just like awkward, but